Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. Today, when I'm filming this, it is the 30th of December, so it is last year when you're watching this. So I had decided not to declutter these holidays. I just wanted some time for myself. Actually, this is in the week when I took a week off from filming and YouTube, just a week for myself. And then my kids asked, could you help us declutter this? So my daughter, she has a room, she lives with my son at the moment, and she's looking for her own little house, but until she gets her own house, she lives with my son, and she's got a lot of craft supplies. And my son has lots of stuff. Let me just show you. So this is what this storage room looks like. So that's just food stuff, that's okay. This is Noortje her craft cabinet, how do you call that? And yeah, craft shelves. And this is craft stuff, and then, well, you know, it needs to be organized, and then you just put it over here, and then you think, oh, now I have something else, well, I'll just put it over there, and before you know it, this happens. You know how that works. So Tim wants to put a washer and a dryer over here. Slight problem. This is in the way. So the boys are gonna get all Tim's stuff out of here, and Noortje and I are gonna get Noortje's stuff out of here and look through it, and well, let's just get started. Yay, holiday. So we did buy a lot of these boxes yesterday, so we can get started. And of course, as one does, an Olaf. So this one can go to the living room, and we need to sort through everything. That's gonna be fun. So Tim, what to do with all of this? Well,
burn it. Burn
this
it.
is easy. Just drink it. And then you can bring the bottles back to whatever. And this is easy. Just eat it. I don't know what the problem is. Did you have enough for Christmas?
Maybe.
And well, you can drink that. So, well, the boys will have fun. Okay, well, this looks a bit better. Look, this is empty. So, we're getting there. It's just one slight problem. This is what the living room table looks like.
I don't see a problem.
You don't see the problem?
No.
And then you have Santa. Hi Santa. Like I said, this is last year. And then you have that. Baking goods. And here's that thing that we need to sort through.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Let's just leave it here. It's beautiful. Okay, let's get to work. Okay, so we're sorting through all Noortje her resin stuff. So this is stuff she made. Look how cute that is. But it's a bit tangled up, so I need to do that. This is stuff she made. Oh, it's so nice. And here you have, I don't know what it is, random stuff. Here you have resin. Here you have the bigger molds. And that still needs to be cleaned. And here you have stickers. And here you have finished products and glitter and ribbon and cat food. And jewelry making. So we're getting there. A little bit. So now I can do this. Someone wants to come and help me. Oh, I lost something. It's just a necklace. Okay, I'm gonna have fun with this. And well, then the resin stuff will be sorted through, and we can put it back in on the shelves. Are you coming to help us, Kitty? Hmm?
He's taking my place.
Are you going out to help? Or are you just gonna be cute? Or creepy, we don't know yet.
Oh, that's what I always do.
You can attack me. She's gonna attack me. I just know it. Yep. Uh-oh. You're stuck on my sweater. No. How will I ever? No, Rowan, don't. I need to free myself first. Oh. Ha-ha. Too slow, old woman. Too slow. Hey. That's not helping. That's being creepy cute. Weirdo. You're such a weirdo. Yes, you are. Oh, stuck again. That wasn't smart. Now what? Now what? Okay, and Noortje is helping as well. So, yeah. Oh. So I think I'll just have to fix this myself. Right, Putty Cat? Right, Putty Cat? Okay, enough play. Let's go back to work. Or sleep, whatever you like. Okay, the cat's losing it. I gave her a little elastic to play with. On my chair. On Tim's chair, to be fair. Yummy. Oh, oops. Well, we'll just get back to this.
Wait, I have like 6 more.
Dat is allemaal, die is 1 en 3 toch? Ja. Ja.
You thought you clicked on the declutter video, but actually
It's a cat video. Oh, it fell on the ground. Get the next one, human.
it's underneath your butt row. Behind
He's sitting on it.
He's sitting on
We're not getting much done, are we?
It's fun though.
Oh. Okay, guys, it looks like we didn't do much. I mean, look at it, all those boxes. But, okay, it's still a mess over here. But look, I was stacked up way higher. And this has all been almost sorted through, so it needs to go to the spot where it needs to go. This needs to go to the attic and stuff like that. These boxes we don't know yet, but look at this. Look at this. Tan 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 ta. This has all been sorted through. So this is Noortje, these are Noortje craft shelves. All kinds of crafts over here. So we need to put stickers over here. Not these stickers, but this one needs to say, what is it? Supplies, tools. And this is glitter and little stickers. And this is resin stuff and stickers and polymer clay and jewelry making and beads and ribbon and wool and stuff. So this is all sorted out. Whoa, that was quite a job to do, but we did it. So now we need to do the rest. And yeah, Tim thought we could do this in one day. Well, not quite. Also, this is way better. Yes, and this needs to go. Yes, guys, I have an app swing or an app wave. Like most of those fitness things, I never used it. So it's gonna go to the thrift store. This needs to be sorted through. Oh well, we'll manage. But it's way, way better, and I love looking at this. All those craft supplies. So if Noortje says, I want to do something with my clay, she just gets out this box, starts claying, and when she's finished, she can put it back. Amazing, right? Also, the table is empty almost. This needs to be cleaned, so we're gonna leave it here so Noortje can clean everything and put it in the boxes. And that needs to go into the kitchen. And look, this is empty. Ta-da! So we're gonna get this to the thrift store as well. And maybe we're gonna get that to the thrift store.
Well, really?
You!
No!
And the kitty. Oh, poor kitty.
Yeah, I've just been sitting here with the cat because I have a migraine and I couldn't really help.
No. Yeah, you just said, you can put this over there, you can put that over there. You gave directions, and the kitty was just sleeping after playing. And my feet are dead. So that was it for today. As you can see, we still have the Christmas tree because this was last year. And we're gonna clean some more, but next year, as you can hear, it's almost New Year. And there are fireworks all day. It's not allowed to have fireworks yet, but they do it anyway. Yeah. So tomorrow and the day after we're gonna do nothing, because then it's New Year. And then the end of the week probably we'll finish this and I'll show you what it will look like then. And then my holiday is over and then I can start
Decluttering! Yay!
in my own home. A lovely vacation. Okay, see you in a few days. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Hi guys, it's now more than 3 weeks later. First week of January we just were, you know, first week of January. And then Noortje and I decided to be under the weather for 2 weeks. We just didn't feel right. So we just didn't feel up to decluttering a bit more. It was just a bit too much. But this week we thought, let's just do this, otherwise it's not gonna happen. So let me show you the result. First, let me give you a reminder of what it looked like when we came here on the 30th, difficult word, of December. Me and my finger. I'll show you first. Here it is. Okay, and now look at this. So are you ready, guys? Look at this. Dun, 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 dun. I need to say that. So here there is room for a washer and a dryer. And then over here you can put your laundry basket and stuff. And over there you can hang stuff to dry that you don't want in your dryer. So this is empty. Now here's a crate that still needs to be sorted through. Tim really doesn't know what to do with it yet, but it's gonna get a different spot. So this is all he has to do. Over here are some tools, you know, nails, hammer stuff. I think he's gonna put these in the attic, but he's not sure yet. So, oh well, that's okay. But the rest, empty. These chairs he's gonna keep here. I thought he wanted them in the attic, but he needs them a lot, so oh well. So over here, you know, have groceries and stuff. This is what this room is for, so this is okay. Then over here, recycling. And over here you have Noortje, her wonderful, beautiful shelves with all her craft supplies. Now isn't that a difference from when we started? Let me show you one more time. Look at this. Ta-da! Amazing, right? I knew we could do it. So that was us decluttering Tim his bijkeuken in Dutch. His supply washing drying room. I don't know. Anyway, I'm glad we could help him, and it's really nice to have things sorted through and have some space. So now it's time for my house. I think it's gonna take a bit longer than this, but I still have a lot to do. So this year there will be loads of declutter videos, although I have to, it's gonna take me 1 or 2 weeks before I start decluttering at home, because this took a lot out of me, but that's okay. So I think it's gonna take me 1 or 2 years to declutter my home, maybe even more. So stay tuned and subscribe if you're not already subscribed for declutter videos, haul videos. But I only buy stuff that I have a spot for. Okay, and of course also creative videos and adults videos. So please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And leave a comment down below how awesome this is. So that's it for now. See you next time. All that's left to say is groetjes from Holland. Greetings from Holland. Bye.